All right, I put up this video about renewing your license with the FCC. So let's take a look at this video, and I want to show you how to finish this, as I didn't really finish it. So let's finish this thing up and go that way. Let's see, where's the comments? Don't want to do an edit. Here we go. Okay, so to finish this thing, we're first going to get the FRN. Click on this. And I'm going to say I want my FRN by my last name. Anyway, there's my FRN right there, but let's get it. Here's my last name, and okay, get your FRN this way. Here's my FRN right here. What if I click on that? What does it do? Let's see, click on that FRN. Everything the site does takes a lot of time. Can I click on it? Yes, I can. So there's my FRN right there. Okay, don't care. All right, so I got the FRN, I've copied it. And the next thing we do is we want to actually use that FRN to log into the FCC on ULS. So we click on this, and actually let's go to the FCC directly. Okay, and then what we're going to do is go to ULS right there. And we're going to do a file online right there. And now you want to put your FRN and password in here. So there's the FRN. You see that right there? Right there, you put the FRN right here. You put your password in there and you do a submit to log in. And this is how you would renew your license. The first part. The second part is you're going to pay the bill. So I hit submit, and what's it doing? It's not doing anything. So the FCC site is very slow. Okay, there, it worked. So there is all my stuff. And I did already renew this thing, but if you are here now and you want to say now, work on this license right here. So if you want to change your address and all that stuff, you hit update right here. All right, exempt from fees, no. Just put no for those because you got to pay the $35 fee. Continue. All right, now here you can change your license, and I've already done this stuff, so I'm going to ignore it. But once that's all done, you can renew your license. So say that you change this thing to some other address, and then you say continue. And I've already submitted it. What? Okay, so I think I can't update because I've already updated it. At any rate, there would be a spot here now where you can submit this thing. And I think since I've already done it, I can't show it to you how it works, unfortunately. But that's how to edit your address. All right, and log in with your FRN. So what next? We've done this part, ULS, submit the application. So now we gotta log into CORES. So here's CORES right here. And if you've made a new CORES account, you have to associate the FRN with your CORES. Okay, so we get this thing here. Okay, so it might copy in your FRN, but that's not going to work. You have to have a different username login. And for me, I used an email address. I use that one right there, and I use the password, and now I can log into CORES. So I don't think you can use your same FRN for that. And now you log in. And now you get a security code because everybody does that now. And that comes in by email, at least to me. Let's see if I can get that code. Okay, code has come in. Let me read it off here. What do I have? There it is from the FCC. The code is what? 027913. 027913. Okay, now when you submit this, you'll get a menu. Okay, this is good. The first thing you do is just associate username to FRN. That's the first thing you do because you've just supposedly made this username work. So username that I showed you, that I logged in with, you got to put in your email and create a username. So you want to do this first, and then the next thing you do is you want to pay the bill, pay the man. So here's how to pay the man right here. So you do this first, and I'll click that, but I've already done that. So let's see what it does. Okay, yeah, you just put in your FRN right here, whatever, you put that in there, enter some comments and do a continue, but I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. Okay, so forget about that. Now, I probably can't go back, or can I? Yeah, let's try this. Click. Okay, it does go back. Go back using this menu here. Now we can manage FRNs, bills. Let's pay the bills. I did this yesterday. So, manage FRNs, no. Pay application bills, yes. Hit that. And I got a green light. Look at that, I got a green light. So I paid this yesterday, but let's see what it does anyway here. Make a payment. So there's no open bills. It paid, payment history. So you can see that I paid this bill for KB3W. FRN, receive date, payment initiated. Print the receipt. Okay, there's my receipt right there. I paid him 35 bucks. Anyway, this is what you got to do to get your license renewed. Don't be terrified of this. Just do it. Let's get it done. All right, this is how to do it. Associate name to FRN, pay the bill. And this is CORES. Okay, so let's go back and review the steps all over again. All over again. We'll start over. The first thing you do is you get your FRN. Once you get the FRN, you log in with it. You change your address if you moved, and then after you change your address, it'll say, oh, your license is ready to be renewed. So if it's 90 days before the expiration or it's 2 years after expiration, the FCC application will automatically say, time to renew. Okay, so do all that stuff, change your address, request renewal, and then do a submit. And it'll submit that into the FCC queue of things to do. Then when you're done with that, you want to go to this URL and log into CORES. And the first thing you do, as we've seen, is associate your FRN, and then pay the man, pay the bill. All right, so here's the CORES. We're logged in, and I think you're clear on that. I'm logged in as my username here. I can log out. And so, yeah, you want to log in here. You don't put in your FRN. You put in some name, and you'll probably want to go right here and register. Okay, so you can register here, and you would put in username, password, put all your contact stuff in there, and then create it. And then you're going to validate your email, and then you have to go back here and log back in. So you would log into here again, and then you would associate the, okay, and then you're going to get a code again. Anyway, got a phone call, got to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.